Now, this video will discuss data augmentation. And in data augmentation, this is data augmentation. So basically, you are using, we are bringing in image augmentation. Again, if you cannot remember what data augmentation is, I refer you to the previous video, which you can see in the link or in the description somewhere and watch it. But it's basically it's basically manipulating your image, to maybe make up for the data that you have. Like, so the best way I can describe it is that if you have maybe limited number of images, but you want the image to give you different angle, so you can rotate the existing image you have. You can crop some or add some stuff, to manipulate and do whatever you want to do. So I'm going to test this. I have some image here, image 5. If you do get the code, you need to create your own image, but I have image 5 here. So just to let you know, let's first look at how image 5 look like. This is image 5. Oh, sorry, it's too big for it. But yes, this is image 5 because I zoom it. So look at how image 5 look like. You can also go across. I got this image from Unsplash, the free images from Unsplash. So you can go to Unsplash and get your images and use it for your work. If you don't have any image, you can use your real image as well. But this is the image 5. So let's see what we can do to the image 5. So I'm just going to augment this image now. We are going to generate a lot, but I'm just going to visualize one. Where is the visualization coming? Yes, also the visualization is here now. Let me show you. Oh my God. Okay, I need to come out of this. So this is MacBook. So this is image 5. You see, it rotated the image. Look at what it did some damage. I'm just doing some random. The parameters, I said that. I hope you saw it. I don't want to talk about the parameters and how they're affecting, but look at, are you seeing some repeating pattern here? See, this same guy here is here now, and here he's even facing that way. Now he's the same guy here, but he's facing toward his own self. Here again, he's facing toward that way. Here he's facing toward himself. See, at least you can see it concurrently, repeatedly. See, look at these two here. They are the same people. You can look at that. So this is called data augmentation. And you can fine tune it to not make the image look better, but look, the image is not looking as clean as the original image, but there are now many more people in the image just from the same image. Look, this person here, this lady is facing down, here is facing down, and here is also facing down, but it's also here facing up. So the image has been manipulated. So let me tell you what happened to that image. I will go back to this. So if you check, okay, so if you check, what we are doing is we are rotating it by an angle here, 90 degrees. I can actually reduce it to 40. Let's see how it looks like. By 90 degrees, then this is the width sieve 0.2, height sieve 0.2 as well, and then zoom range is 0.2. You can change all these parameters, guys. Horizontal flip true because we want it to be flipped horizontally after as part of the augmentation process. So again, I'm running it for another time. Do I have the image now? Yes, I have the image. This time it's only rotated by 90 degrees. Oh my God, I don't really have time. So I bring it back for you to see. So this is it. This is now the image augmented. Look, we have, you see the same guy here pointing finger. Here is pointing, is looking towards the direction, is looking towards the direction, looking towards the direction. So one guy basically has become 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this lady here, 1, 2, 3. It's also 4, but it's cut out here. Another part of her body is here. This guy here, 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. The 4 is also cut out from here. Look at this heart. So you can see this is how image augmentation do. So when you change the parameters, it will behave differently. Just one more time, I will change the angle to. How many angle do you think we should? Let's do 15. Yes, let's do 15 degrees for now. Then I will show you a different angle again, and then we'll be done. 15 degrees. Good. So this is it for 15 degrees. There's not much different here, but look at how it affected the image. It tried to crop and then it tried to like do some but yeah. Anyway, that's it. I want to check further. So this is that image, it augmented the data. It produced so many images from just one image, but I was only showing you one image of the image it produced. Now let's look at more of the images. So I'm just going to go to full screen here again. Let's go to more of the images. If I run this code now, it should take some time, but we'll see the images here. Let me see. Am I still using image 5 or image 1? Okay, I'm using image 5. Let's see. Let's give it some time. Yes, so look at it here. I'm displaying just 5 images out of the number of images generated and look at the parameters here, it's still the same thing. But look here, you have, this is one of the image, this is one of the image, this is one of the image. So it's giving us different angles basically. See here, it rotated the angle. The people are looking this way, that way. Look at it here. Look at it here. They're down, looking up that way. Can you see here? See this white lady is here. He's on this side. Here she's still on this side. But here now, look at, she's on that other side. Do you see that? This is what data augmentation can do to your image. But this is just a very basic example, so you can use it to do whatever you want to do. So probably it will help you to use it to train your machine learning model to perform better, to generalize better. But that is why we call synthetic data. You use your synthetic data to train your machine learning models, your AI models. And yeah, depending on how you fine tune it, there's always the criticism that it may not be able to generate well in real world data, but this is how you generate synthetic data, guys. This is data augmentation.